Hello everyone, this is a tutorial series about how to use and install the FitMultiCell pipeline. FitMultiCell is an integrated platform for data-driven modeling of multicellular processes. This project is funded by the German Ministry of Education and Research (PMPF). In the web page of the platform you can see a link. You can see a useful information, and also you can see a link to the source code and the documentation of the platform. I will leave the link to the website in the description of the video. So in our first video we will try to cover how you can install different components of the FitMultiCell pipeline. So first you need to go to the FitMultiCell documentation page. I will leave a link of the documentation page in the description of the video also. Then you need to go to install, and here you can see different options about how you can install the FitMultiCell package. You can install it directly through pip, as you can see here. Otherwise you can install it through pip, and also by giving the repository link of the FitMultiCell. Also you can clone it in your machine using git clone, and then specify the repository link of the FitMultiCell package, and then install it through pip install -e dot. If you want to install a specific branch of the package, then you can use one of these two options. But if you want to install the master branch, then you can just write pip3 install FitMultiCell. So let's install the package now. We will go into the terminal. We will write pip3 install FitMultiCell. As you can see, now the package is being installed in my machine. Now FitMultiCell is installed. The next step is to install the simulator. We are using Morpheus as a simulator in the FitMultiCell pipeline, so you need to go into the GitLab page of Morpheus. Here is the GitLab page. I will leave a link to it in the description of the video also. You need to scroll down, and here you will see the installation instruction. So we need to copy these instruction here and go to terminal and then paste them here. First step is to clone the repository in your local machine. That might take some time, and then the installation process will start. This might take some time, so we will pause the video and we will be back once it's finished. Now as you can see, the installation of Morpheus is finished. So let's just do a test. Let's just run Morpheus and see if it exists or not. As you can see, now Morpheus is existing, so both components are ready to be used. But before ending this video, I would like to add 3 remarks. The first one, you need to be sure that you already have Redis server installed in your machine. If it's not installed, then you need to install it. I would leave a link to the installation page of Redis server on the description of the video. You can install it using these 4 line of code. The second remark, that you might have some problem while installing Morpheus due to the missing of some dependency, so be sure to have all the dependency that needed for Morpheus. And the final remark is that if you are installing FitMultiCell pipeline on some clusters or HPC system, be sure to install all the different components in your local directory, because on those systems usually you don't have sudo privileges, so you cannot install them globally but only on your local directory. That's it all for this video today. Thank you for your listening, and see you on the next video. Bye.